My only plea is that it appears that women's sports, not just women's rugby, in this country is not given the same sort of attention that we see the male counterparts receiving. We've seen in other countries like the US, the women's soccer team had to go to court for them to even be given equal pay for equal work. And yet that US soccer team, just like this Lionesses rugby team, actually records greater success than the men's teams. The Lionesses have greater success and they have a bigger chance of going to the World Cup than our men's 15s.